Make a great choice today with the 2013 Focus. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, power mirrors, fog lights, remote trunk release. Inside you'll find leather upholstery, Bluetooth, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, dual airbags, vanity mirrors. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.